Mercedes-Benz C180, AMG Line Premium, Model Year 2015, Import Year 2019, Lahore Registered 2019, Mileage 66,500 kilometers, Platinum Black Interior, Premium Sound System, Apple CarPlay, Electric Memory Seats, Rain Sensors, Cruise Control, Colored Head-Up Display, LED Headlamps, Multifunction Sports Steering Wheel, AMG Line Interior and Exterior, Ambient Lighting, Safety and Security, Side Airbags, ABS, Electronic Brakeforce Distribution, Electronic Stability Program, Tractional Control, Engine Immobilizer, Cornering Lights, Rain Sensing Wipers, Headlamp Beam Adjuster, Comfort and Convenience, Air Conditioner -3-zone Automatic Climate Control, Steering Mounted Audio, Paddle Shift, Cruise Control, Power Outlets 12 volts, Rear Parking Sensor and Camera, Electrically Adjustable Rear View Mirror, Push Start Stop Button, Height Adjustable Driver Seat, Lumbar Support, Front Armrest, Upholstery, Leather, Keyless Entry, Climate Control, Light Type, LED, Instrumentation and Communication, Distance to Empty, Average Fuel Efficiency Indicator, GPS Navigation, Entertainment, Music System, Contact, Sigma Motors, Opposite UCP Lahore, Mohammed Shob Siddiqui, 03-14598-93.